before our room becomes a total mess, we'll room tour. We are in 10240. Patty and Denny are next door in 10244. We just discovered that our rooms connect. We didn't know that. Alright, so we were walking in. And this is a view from the door. There's Dominic.
Hi.
They've kind of changed the coloring up on this ship. So like the carpeting's got a lot of blue to it. The curtains have more blue to it. Well, I feel really backwards because I'm used to the bathroom being over here. But I'll get used to it. So we have one closet here. Full hanging closet. Plenty of hangers. Ooh, they changed the hanger type. They are now completely removable. This is new. I don't think it was like that on the Vista. And then they've got a full-length mirror. And then in this closet, more hangers there. A shelf. And an area you can store things. This pulls up in case you want... Shh! Pulls up in case... You should probably lock it, unlike what I did. In case you want to hang other things down below. I don't think that moves. But yeah, I got that. So those are your two full hanging closets. And then this closet has two shelves, your safe, and then another shelf, and then 3 drawers that you can use. So lots of storage. This is the vanity area. We ordered pop, as we call it in Minnesota, soda to others, maybe Coke to you, depending on where you're from. But you have 3 shelving units. There's your phone. You have 2 USB ports, 2 regular 120 volt outlets, and a 230 volt outlet. And then here is your fridge. It's always empty. It's not very cold. We might need to turn that up. And here is a drawer with your blow dryer. Still only works if you hold the button down. I keep hoping someday they'll change that. Come over here, you have a nice large flat screen TV. That right there is the door that connects us to Patty and Denny's room. I did not know that we even had that. Over here, back towards the front of the room, is the bathroom. Thermostat that you can control. So you have just the regular Carnival shower. Not very large, but does the job. Comes with shampoo and body wash. You have, you know, the toilet. You have 3 shelves there. 3 shelves there. Garbage can, sink, towels. Typical bathroom. Over here is the couch area. I believe there are drawers under the couch. Oh, maybe not. Nope, not in this room because it's only for 2. If it was for 3 or more, potentially there might be drawers under there that they keep the spare bedding in. Nice coffee table that's also got a bottom area that you can use to store things. There's the bed. This is for 2 together. Now the beds can be split into separate twins. So if there's two people in a room that don't want to share a bed, that can be done. And each side has a nightstand on it. There's, yes, and it has a door that opens for more storage. Draw the curtain back. There's a nice big window you can have open up. And then out here, I have to push and not pull, is the balcony. Table, 2 chairs. Patty and Denny's balcony right there. We're going to see if we can get this partitioner open so that we have one big balcony. And yeah, that is the room. And we thought we'd show it to you now because we always seem to do room tours late in the cruise and our room is a mess. So it'll probably never look like this again. Alright, more of the ship later. Bye.